Welcome to this third part of our project online tutorial website database. Go to website DB, open tables, select blog table design, right click, go to relationships, add foreign key, admin table, primary key table, select primary key, blog table and select foreign key created by. OK, and then close it. Save the blog table. Also, you can add relationships in all the tables by using same process. Admin ID, foreign key is created by, and also one thing that is delete rule, select cascade, also cascade and save it. Yes, relationships, insert and update specifications, cascade, close it and save the table. Right click, edit top 200 rows, name Fahim Irfan, email abc@gmail.com, password abc, profile pic abc.png, admin type main, created by 1, updated by null, created at, updated at. So record inserted successfully. So select again. If you want to delete this row, right click and press delete link here. Row deleted successfully. So thank you for watching this video.